When you're doing your own downspouts, you have to be careful of this. The pipe will settle over time. There's nothing you can do about it. If it's a new house, new construction, it's going to settle even more. Now, I don't recommend screwing to the downspout because when the pipe pulls away, this is what you got. What you want to do is you want to slide this up inside the leaf filter all the way to the bottom of the door right here. When it settles, this will slide down the downspout and it won't come disconnected. Water is leaking right here. It's leaking really bad. It's doing damage to the foundation. There's a lot of erosion. The homeowner called us and caught this before it can further damage the structure. Again, no need to put screws in this to hold it on, and no need to worry about separation if you're using our downspout leaf filter. Highly recommend it. Again, whether you have a 2x3 or a 3x4 or a 4 round, stick the downpipe in. You got the downpipe in that much. Unlike this little thing that only holds that much of the downspout, so when it slides, so basically, look, that's what you got. That's what you got right there. Now, if you screw it on, it separates like I showed you. You can't win. Right here, when we designed and built our vented Cleanout leaf filter, we thought of everything. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comment section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.